we gaan jullie over 2 weken sowieso zien bij de Japrun. Daarnaast hebben wij woensdag de Fast X premières hier in Nederland. Wij vanuit Epic Car Events werken ook samen met Monster Energy en View. Nou guys, thanks. We gaan jullie snel weer zien bij de volgende vlog. Goedenavond allemaal, we zijn weer bij een nieuwe aflevering van de BTS met Epic Car Events. Vandaag staat in het teken van de Fast & Furious première, Fast X. We staan hier nou met Chuck Borden. Hi Chuck.
Hey, how are you, Jay?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
Doing good, doing good.
Nice.
Excited about, I haven't seen the movie yet, so this is going to be exciting.
Ah, very good. So, for the people at home, tell us, who are you?
My name is Chuck Borden. I'm a professional stuntman and the stunt coordinator. And I've worked on probably close to 400 film and television shows, including Fast and Furious 9 and 10, Hitman's Bodyguard, I mean, just a ton of movies.
Yeah, that's perfect. That's good to hear. So, why Fast and Furious?
Why not?
Yeah.
It's the biggest franchise movie next to James Bond.
Yeah, that's true, that's true.
So,
how did you get into Fast and Furious?
Actually, a very dear friend of mine, Spiro Rosados, is the second unit director on it. And he's been doing them since Fast 5. And I was supposed to work on 7 or 8. And I was busy on other things, so I couldn't do it. And then when 9 came up, I heard about it early enough.
Yeah.
So I said, oh, let me see if I can get you on. And sure enough, I was on in 5 weeks in Tbilisi, Georgia, doing stunts. And, you know, so Fast 10 came along, got to jump right back in.
Yeah, of course. Skipping back to 2012, 2013, we've met each other.
Yes.
Yeah, so tell us, how did you get into Epic Car Events?
Well, through you.
Yeah.
We met on a movie called Solitary.
Yeah.
And I was like the main lead actor in it. It was a little short for some students that were my interns at Stunt Camp, a business I had at the time. And they wanted to do a student film and cast me as the lead. And then, of course, you guys show up with the cars.
Yeah, yeah. And, actually, they asked me, just like here, the View Cinemas. So, we need some cars for the movie. Can you help us?
That's it. That was exactly it.
That time ago, I already was in this business.
There you go.
Yeah, and now we're here. And Fast X.
Yeah.
This
and
is
it's 12 years later.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah, this is for me. It's the 5th or 6th movie that I collect the cars for the movie, and every time I come back, the group of cars gets bigger.
Bigger.
And as you will see in the video today, we also have 2 bikes inside.
Yep.
Yeah, and you're in the middle of everything.
I'm right in the middle of all that stuff.
Perfect. Yeah. Well, it's nice to hear from you guys.
Ah, thank you for having me, and it was really a lot of fun.
course, yeah. So I think it's about time for you to
Yeah,
watch the movie.
I got to go clean up my stuff and go watch the movie.
Yes, thank you. Well, have a nice film.
Yeah, thank you.
And we'll see each other around.
Sounds good.
Thank you.
All right, man.
Waarom ik een vlag sleep? Ik denk om even duidelijk te maken waar wij van zijn.
Duidelijk maken van we zijn. En waar zijn wij van?
Waar zijn wij van? Epic Car Events.
Epic Car Events.
Zit hier, hè?
Ja.
Een hartje.
Daar, right there. Right there.